Welcome back to the Hand to Shoulder Solution, where pain meets its match. I'm your host, Carl Petito. I'm an occupational therapist and a board-certified hand therapist. I specialize in the rehabilitation of orthopedic conditions that affect the fingertips through the shoulder. Today I want to talk about mystery pain that often occurs on the back of the hand. It often goes undiagnosed, and folks come in complaining about that, saying that it's been lasting quite a long time. Most recently, I've had a gentleman who had a hard time playing golf because of a lot of pain on the back of the wrist and on the back of the hand. I want to start by explaining that tendons connect muscles to bone. So here, the red portion is muscles, and then it turns into this white portion, the tendons. So when these muscle bellies contract, some of them, they extend or open the fingers. Now, you can see that they traverse across the wrist. So when a person bends their wrist, if you bend your wrist all the way, you should not be able to make a full fist, because now these cords or the tendons are wrapped around the back of the wrist, or another way to say it is they're lengthened over the back of the wrist. Now, as you put them on slack a little bit here, then you're easily able to make a full fist. And in fact, that's the best mechanical advantage, the best position for the best mechanical advantage, to make a really tight, real tight grip.